Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. Today is 23rd July 2020. So let's start the history of the day. On this day in 1927 means today, radio broadcasting started in the country regularly. The Indian Broadcasting Company came into the extension on this day. In 1930, it was nationalized as the Indian Broadcasting Service. Leonine Folden became its first controller in 1935. So let's start the current affairs. Which initiative has been started to provide psychosocial support to students? छात्रों को मनोसामाजिक सहायता प्रदान करने के लिए कौन सी पहल शुरू की गई थी? And the answer is मनोदर्पण. It is the part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan to strengthen human capital and increase productivity and initiative in the education center HRD. Now moving towards the second question, which country has launched first military communication satellite? किस देश ने पहला सैन्य संचार उपग्रह लॉन्च किया है? And the answer is South Korea. Army, Navy, Air Force Satellite Information System 2 means NSS second. So third question is, which ministry has launched India first public EV charging plaza in New Delhi? किस मंत्रालय ने नई दिल्ली में भारत का पहला सार्वजनिक ई चार्जिंग प्लाजा लॉन्च किया है? And the answer is Minister of State MOS for Power and Renewable Energy. So moving towards the next question, which organization confers Water Heroes Award? कौन सा संगठन जल नायकों को पुरस्कारों को स्वीकार करता है? And the answer is Ministry of Water Powers. So the fifth question is, which two countries have signed an agreement for establishment of emergency medical services? आपातकालीन चिकित्सा सेवाओं की स्थापना के लिए किन दो देशों ने एक समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं? And the answer is India and Maldives. These two countries have signed on this. So sixth question is, what is the name of India first numberless payment card? भारत के पहले नंबर रहित भुगतान कार्ड का नाम क्या है? And the answer is FamePay, India's first neo-bank for teenagers in partnership with IDFC First Bank. So moving towards the seventh question, which portal has been launched for consul services? consul सर्विस के लिए कौन सा पोर्टल शुरू किया गया है? And the answer is Madad Portal, which is a mobile application for desired assistance during travels. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked. So the first question was, which forests are known as the lungs of the world? And the answer is Amazon forest, Brazil. Move towards the second question. In which state Zoram Mega Food Park is located? And the answer is Mizoram. Now let me give you the questions for today which have you tell in the comments box. First, which animal is known as the Urus metromus? And second is, where was the Asia first export processing zone to promote export established? Do tell in the comment box, otherwise we will discuss tomorrow. Till then, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.